and people are waiting at home. He didn't come at all. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, he didn't come at all. Ultimately, he came in very exhausted. So the parents asked him, what is it? You have taken such a long time for a simple job to leave a cat. No, you told me to live in the interior of the forest. I went interior of the forest and I lost my way and I couldn't come at all. No, but how did you come? I followed the cat. There are a few more jokes I will tell you.
I have to apologize to Vijay Lakshmi because I forgot that she wanted to say something. So, with my sincere apologies, I request Vijay Lakshmi to please come and say a few words.
I would like to thank my cast for their time and effort in bringing out this play. And a special thanks to Mr. Tyagarajan for shouldering this responsibility of presenting the play. And I'm grateful to you all for encouraging me and supporting me. Thank you very much.
Next, Dr. Rajaram will present a few jokes.
Namaskaram. Tyagu's beautiful drama did not have a music teacher. Now a music teacher is coming. Tabla teacher. An old time tabla teacher, just imagine, very sincerely, honestly teaching students and poor students the tabalist, tabalji, we call tabalji, like Rajaji Gandhi, tabalji. This is only profession, only instrument which are called, not Mridangam-ji or Morsing-ji, tabalji. It's a special honor. He worked all the way, but he earned nothing. But his son, he was age of 75, and I am talking about just imagining a family of 3 generations living together as a joint family. 3 generations living as a joint family, adjusting all those problems, somehow going on, living. This elderly person is a tabalji. Next, his son, who is now around 45 or 50, saw how his father came up in his life, said, this is not a profession, let me become a politician. He became a dada. But he is a nice man, he earned money illegally. The father had to accept it because he has to depend upon his son at the ripe old age. So they are all living together. The 3rd generation, 10-year, 15-year-old boys of that dada. The first one is tata. Next comes a dada. These are all bowls of tabla. Dada dinna, tata dinna. I am coming to that. When somebody scolds, we call the bowl as titta titta dada dinna. Dada titta, tata dinna. When dada tittina, titta is a qaida of Hindi word. You now connect Hindi and Tamil. Titta titta, tata dinna. வேற வழி என்ன? அதான் கிடைக்கிறது, போட்ட சோறு சாப்பிட்டு போவான், அவ்வளோ அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டு போய அவ்வளோதான். தாதா திட்ட, தீதி திட்ட, தாத்தா தின்னா. தாதா திட்ட, தாத்தா தின்னா, தாத்தா திட்ட, தாத்தா தின்னா. So like that bowl comes. In tabla you will have 2 pieces. One is tata, nam nam, all these comes on the right piece. Left one is dada, terakeda dada. Tata and dada comes in the left piece, and right piece comes all those tinna, terakeda tinna, titta tinna, all the qaidas come on the right side. So the tabalji is teaching the 10-year-old grandson all those things. But in the innate of the heart, he knows that how he has to eat. Tinna, tinna, dada titta, tinna, tinna, yanata tinna, kodtata tinna. Dadyona tinna. That is another thing. Dadyonam is a curd rice prepared specially in Perumal Kovil in a beautiful way. If you try to make it in the house, it won't become like a Perumal Kovil Tadhyonadina. But it comes in a like Tadhyonadina, 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 Tadhyonadina. So that sound is called bol. A tabalji should not only play but bolna. The tabalji says you should say whatever the tabla speaks. That is why tabla, how the name tabla came, tabi bola. There was a mridangam like pakwash. One fellow cut it and then put the skin over it. Tabi bhi bolta hai. Kaat karne se bhi bol tabi bola. It becomes tabla. So that tabla bol, he had to say. The 10-year-old boy has got to repeat, and this is a process of teaching. So he is ventilating all those bowls in a humorous way. Let me tell you some of these bowls. Dada titta tata tinna. No other way. Titta titta tata tinna. Don't worry. Titta tinna, dada titta tinna. Titta titta tata tiri tinna. Tiri in Tamil means he blinks. Tiri tinna, 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 tiri. Dada titta, tiri tinna, kitta takka tinna. Almost he ate. Kitta takka, kitta tatta. Kitta tatta means in Tamil it is called almost. So kitta takka tinna. There is a bowl. Kitta tatta tinna, kitta takka tinna, kitta tatta tinna. So it comes almost like that. Didi titta, tati tinna. Tata and tati, party and pata. That's another word also. Usually we call tata and party, but in some families they say tati and pata. And tiri patit adodo tinna. Patit tiri patit adodo tinna. Dhanata tinna, kodata tinna. Yanata tinna, kodata tinna. Talang darikada tangida tinna. Palarnu kodira tangida tinna. Very. So this way it goes. Datyona tinna, tadin tinna, dhada didi titta tinna. Nana titta. There is one sound comes in this right side. Nan titta, nana titta. Nan titta, nana titta, nadi tinna. Tadinginadada. That is also there is a humor. All these things were taken as a beautiful 2 hours concert by one great Vikadam Ramaswamy Iyer. I am talking about 1950s and 60s. He is the only one in the whole world. Afterwards, nobody followed his tradition. It is not only mimicry, it's a combination of advice and some philosophy and a mixture of music, mimicry and all that. He used to perform so nicely. Everybody laughed like a hell. Then his Vikram Ramaswamy Iyer used to talk about the birds. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. See, that cuckoo is a female bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Come on, this morning 7 o'clock, why are you waking up? Wife says, get up fast. Go and bring insects for our children. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo. So this is the way, whenever I play tennis, there is one fellow will be talking, another, I can easily understand which is wife and husband. To confuse them because it is very irritating when I play tennis. So I answered them, it immediately stopped. So that is another way to make it stop. It got confused. We have done a lot of times in IIC tennis courts because there are so many birds were disturbing. And then we say the same language, we say and to confuse so that we can finish this. Next comes another joke about taplai and reply. Taplai is a Tamil word for tavalai. Frog we call tavalai. Taplai. மழை காலத்துல குளத்துக்கிட்ட தப்பளை ரிப்ளை பண்ணும். This particular bird, when Vikram Ramaswamy Iyer was காலத்தில் ஆமாம் குளத்தங்கரையில் அப்ளை எப்படி பண்ணுறது அப்ளை பண்ணோம் டிடி 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 டிடி. So like that he goes on beautifully and he puts a muttapu also. So finally he combines the music also along with the, and he can produce it, the sound so naturally. He produced morsing, gadam, ganjira, everything by mouth only, whistle, and then he communicated the laughter through the sounds. And finally he comes to a circle of musicians known very well, like Madhuramani here, Shamangadi Mama, and especially M.D. Ramanathan. Everybody has got a characteristic way of expression. This is where Madhuramani here stops. So he pronounces immediately, the audience is able to understand, Madhuramani here, Shamangadi Mama. So that finally comes, and then finally he gives a message and stops. I will stop with that one. Dadi Kinatata. Krishna Paramatma is asking Yashoda, Dadi, that curd, please give me. Dadi Kinatata. Dadi Kinatata. It is not simply Dadi Kinna. That is not only sound, but there is a meaning in it. Dadi Kinatata. No, Krishna, I won't give it. You are eating too much. Krishna knows. We have to not identify with the fruit of action. You do your duty. But give the fruit of action to me. Let me take it, because that is Sukham and also Dukkham. You give it to me. That is the message. Unfortunately, they began hiding the butter. Dadinginatata. It's a one more beat is. I tell you, please give me the Tadinginatata. And the Tadikinata. So these are Tadinginatata is a nine letter one. The other one is 7 letters. So the Krishna Paramatma is asking Tadinginatata. No. So the way in which these are composed, how meaningfully carries a message also, is not just a bolna. This was explained by a great musician called Harikesha Nellur Muttaya Bhagavata. He was a great Harikatha performer as well as giving great Upanyasam through humor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Next, so Shunnu will present a few jokes.